Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's Kitchen menu, we are making my all-time favorite mashed potatoes. Making homemade potatoes is so easy. These homemade potatoes are perfectly rich and creamy, full of great flavor. We are going to use russet potatoes. As you know, they are used for baked potatoes. They are the classic go-to for mashed potatoes. And also, our recipe calls for a whole stick of butter. That's where the creaminess and the richness comes from. So let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, peel the potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, guys. Next, we're gonna rinse our potatoes to remove excess starch and to keep them from browning. Add potatoes to a large pot and fill the pot with cold water enough to cover the potatoes. Cover the pot with the lid and let them cook for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna put the butter and cream into a small saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer over a medium-low heat until the butter is melted all the way through. Once they are fork tender, drain water completely from the pot and leave the potatoes in the pot and leave them covered for 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna use a potato masher to mash the potatoes until they are smooth. If you want your potatoes extra creamy, add a dollop of sour cream. The tanginess of sour cream cuts the richness of butter and makes potatoes so creamy. You could try it that way too, guys. Okay, I think the potatoes now are mashed all the way through. Now it's time to add hot milk mixture. These mashed potatoes are creamy, fluffy, and full of flavor. Keep adding milk until you reach the consistency you are looking for. Add salt and white pepper. Stir well. You can also stir in bacon bits, chives, shredded cheddar cheese, or Parmesan cheese. Truly, any fresh herbs and cheese works well with this recipe. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. We're gonna finish it up by drizzling a little bit of melted butter on top, then garnish it with fresh parsley. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my newly uploaded videos. I hope you'll try this recipe. I know guys, you're gonna love it and it's worth trying. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey.